Welcome back. I am the Electrical Code Coach from electricalexamcoach.com, and this is the electrical question of the day. Let's get to it. In a residential kitchen, what is the minimum countertop width that necessitates the installation of at least one receptacle outlet? The options were A, 10 inches, B, 12 inches, C, 18 inches, or D, 24 inches. And the correct answer is 12 inches. Let's go ahead and take a look at the paraphrase code language. When we get to 210.52c, that's where we get our general requirements that are getting ready to apply in all of the different points below. Let's take a look at it now. In kitchens, pantries, breakfast areas, dining areas, and similar spaces within a home, outlets must be installed on countertops and work surfaces that are at least 12 inches wide. So if it's 12 inches or greater, it's required to at least have one. And this photo is a perfect example. Let's come over here by the refrigerator. You see this small piece of countertop here. Let's imagine that was 11.5 inches. Then you would not be required to have a receptacle outlet. But let's imagine that it was exactly 12 inches. Well, then the code's letting you know that you have to have at least one receptacle outlet in this location. And then if it triggers at least one, after that, you're going to go to your 2-foot, 4-foot rule for your spacing. In this case, it's only about 12 inches, so you're only going to be required to have that one receptacle outlet. So remember, it's 210.52c, and that's where we get our general requirements and when we are required to or are allowed to omit receptacles when it comes to countertops and work surfaces. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and my bargain is that these videos will add value to you, and you will in turn add value to others. Let's get to it.